Alright guys, welcome to the video that many of y'all are probably waiting for, or if not, y'all probably seen so many videos about this one drone. Today I'm going to be showing y'all and telling y'all about the new DJI Air 2S crazy drone. That's really all I gotta say. It's honestly smarter than most of us. It can make videos on your own. Like honestly, you can pick up the drone, do the master shots, which if you don't know what the master shots are, we'll get into those, but basically you do the master shots, it films for you, it flies for you, and it even edits the videos for you. That's the end of the video. No, I'm just playing, but going to be going over the specs, how much it costs, what do you get in the bundle box, which you could probably see everything right here. Yeah, I'm actually gonna answer that one right now. Is this one worth it right now? So with the Air 2 being a really good drone already, yes, I think it is completely worth it, especially if you do want to fly at nighttime with the bigger 1-inch sensor, which you can see right there. It's also one of the specs that is so amazing about this drone. A 1-inch sensor on a drone that is, honestly, you could probably get it for under $1,000. I mean $999, but that's just the drone itself, drone, battery, yeah. I think it is truly worth it. The active track has gotten better, and the OcuSync is 3.0 too, so even that's gotten better. They have improved a lot of things about this drone. DJI did a great job with this drone, I feel. This 1-inch sensor plays a big role in getting better images, better videos in low light situations. Also, as you can see, they did add these 2 sensors on the top. They have upward, downward, forward, and backward sensors. Unlike the Pro, the MAVIC 2 Pro, those have the 2 sensors on the side. This one does not have side sensors. It does help it become more aware of its surroundings, and does help out with the active track 3.0, which is actually very cool. If we go look at that, yeah, so these do help out with the environment sensing that it is talking about, which is more advanced on this drone compared to the previous model, the MAVIC Air 2. It has the Spotlight 2.0, point of interest 3.0, and the active track 4.0. All of those are really nice features on this drone because it's more glued to you now. It's not going to lose you that much. Also with that, DJI introduced master shots. So basically you click start, it'll go on the subject, record a couple shots, different types of shots, and then it'll even edit it all for you. Really nice feature for this drone. As far as battery life, speed, it's all the same as the Air 2. It's not as beefy. I mean, some people say it's a little bit more beefy than the Air 2. In my opinion, it's just a little bit more bulky on the top, and then yeah, obviously you do get a bigger camera. But overall, this is a really nice camera. You do get OcuSync 3.0, which does help out with the video feed on the controller or on your phone. You can also pair up the smart goggles, which are on the DJI FPV drone, and also the smart controller if you do want to spend $700 on that. In my opinion, I really wouldn't do that. It also does have authentic, true to life color tones, because with this sensor, it is a 10-bit color sensor. With this drone, you do get 10-bit range of colors. You can color correct and color grade that very nicely without it degrading your footage. On the Air 2, that was an 8-bit. It was really nice, but it could get kind of messed up if you went a little bit too hard in the color correction or in the color grading. Also, 5.4K in 30 frames a second, or you can do 4K in 60 frames a second. It also does shoot in 2.7K 1080p, and also in 1080p and 2.7K you can do 8x zoom on this camera. It looks really nice actually. You do lose quality obviously, but whenever you do 2.7K or you do 4K and you do the 4x zoom, it actually looks really clear. There are a lot of videos out there that'll probably show it, demonstrate it a lot better than I will. I will also leave those links in the description. Like I said, those people are doing them. They're not telling me to put their links down there. I'm just giving them a shout out. I don't know any of their clips, obviously, but basically some other things we can go over about this drone is one has safer skies. It has ADS-B, so that keeps you and the drone more aware on where the aircrafts are flying around you. Yeah, that's about it for the specs on this drone. First day, just had it, so obviously I don't know every single thing about it. That's just going to take some time on playing around with it and getting used to it, but I can show you all the accessories for this drone. Basically, if you have been subscribed to my channel, you might not think that I would be talking about drones and all this stuff, but I'm starting to get more and more into this type of stuff. It is pretty interesting. Most people that do subscribe to me, or if you don't subscribe to me, I usually post car videos. I modify my Lexus IS350, or I did modify my Lexus IS250, RIP Lexi. But also my friends do have other cars that they modify, and I promote them on my channel too. Go to car meets, do pranks. I'm trying to get more into that. If y'all enjoy any of that type of stuff, please consider to subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified whenever I post new content. Also, I can start showing y'all all the accessories like I was saying. So basically, you get 2 extra batteries. This is the combo, or the Fly More combo. It is, I didn't mention the cost, but it is $12.99 compared to the $9.99 price. You get just 1 battery. But yeah, $9.99 package, you get 2 extra batteries, which is actually a steal. Each of these batteries are $150. I could be off, but I think it is still $150. $150, $300. So you're already paying off the kit just by getting 2 extra batteries. They do give you the 3 charging hub. Does come with the cable. Put the cable down here. There's the cable. Also, you do get the newer ND filters. The Air 2 did have ND filters too, but obviously since this camera does have a 1-inch sensor, they are going to be bigger than the previous model. But yeah, you have a 4, 8, 16, and 32 ND filters for this. Comes included in the bundle. You do get these cables, just for the phones, whatever you want to plug into the controller. So it's USB-C, micro USB, or Lightning for iPhones. They do give you the controller. One new thing I've noticed about this controller compared to the Air 2 that I had is it has a pause button. Pause button is really cool because whenever you're flying it, let's say you're about to hit something and you don't really know what to do, hit the pause button, it stops it. Depending on how fast you are going, it will determine on how quick the drone can stop, obviously. But it is a nice safety feature. Besides that, the controller looks completely the same compared to the Air 2. Honestly, I looked it up and I think the Mini 2 has the same controller. Yeah. There's that. And then you do get 1 more set, I believe. You do get 2 more sets of propellers included in this bundle. And lastly, certainly not least, you do get the bag, which is the same as the Air 2, and like I said, also the Mini 2 most likely. But yeah, overall, I think it's going to be a really, really fun drone. A lot of stuff I have to learn about it that I don't already know. But basically, what do y'all think? Do y'all think this is the right move to go to the Air 2S, or should I have just waited till next year, probably come out with a different model, different lineup? But yeah, what do y'all think? What are y'all gonna do? Are y'all into drones? Are y'all into cars? If you learned something new, please be sure to leave it in the comment section, or if there's something I did not go over, please leave that in the comment section down below as well. Thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate y'all watching this video. More stuff coming soon. Like I said, if you're into my Lexus content, more of that stuff coming soon. Been really busy with a lot of things. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Keep it sexy.
So fresh, but I guess I